Done? Okay, let's move to the next part. How come outsider create website at the rate 2000 rupees only? People create website at the rate 2000 rupees only. How? Because they have a hosting, which I told you, which costs you somewhere near 4000 rupees. That is an unlimited domain hosting for 1 year. Okay, so you can host unlimited website. Like, let's say you are hosting 10 websites. So the cost for hosting will be 400 rupees. If you host 100 websites, then the cost will be like 40 rupees for you for hosting. Okay, and 120 rupees for domain name, then it costs you somewhere near 150 rupees or rupees, and the rest is your income. That is how other people are doing it, Nipun. I hope you got it. It means I can make many domains in WordPress. No, every time you have to buy a domain. Okay, like RoboCircle, I have bought it. Google Answers, I have bought it. Digital Career, I have bought it. You have to buy every time you make a new website, and then you can install WordPress into it. Yes, charges will be comparable. Okay, till now we have talked about the appearance of the website. One thing is left out in appearance of your website is the menu bar. If you go on your website, you have a sample page over here. Yes or no? You have a sample page over here. So how to add things into your menu? How to add things into your menu? How you can add more and more pages into the menu? For that, again, you have to go into appearances and then into menus. Then you have to go into appearance and then menus. Okay, now you can see over here, these are the 3 pages which we have. We have one home page, then we have sample page by default, which is given by WordPress, and then the page we just made, that is SEO page. Okay, so I have these pages. If you reopen this, let me reload it. You have all the pages over here. If by default they are not coming, you can add it from here. Click on view all and you have all the pages, whichever you have, and will be there. Okay, that is how you can add it. Like, but if you want to make something like let's say something like one of my website, let me show it to you. A different menu. Let me show you a different menu. It's taking time to load. Just hold on. Like if you go over there, it shows you various options, and after that it shows you various options. Like this, if you want to do it in WordPress, how you can do it is, like you have to drag this column just over here. Just drag it over here. Now all these 2 links will come under this one. These 2 links will come under this. Let me create it, the menu. Okay, I have created the menu. And after that, I have to make it a primary menu so that it will be visible to my user. I make it primary menu and then again reload this page. If you can see home, and then you have sample page and SEO. You can see sample page and SEO. This is how it can be done. If you want sample page to become under SEO, then again save it. And then again reload your page so you get the updated website. You have under home sample page, under sample page you have SEO. Clear how